Hello, hi, welcome to the channel. So I just wanted to make this quick video just to kind of bring a new grant that I just came across to your attention. So this one is actually going to be brought by Block Advisors. I decided to make this video because the deadline for applying for this grant is actually 4 days from now, so May 26th. It's May 22nd right now, so it'd be best to hurry up and go ahead and apply as soon as possible. So we're going to go over this grant kind of together. And this one is great because they're funding $100,000 in grants for women-owned businesses. And it says applications are due May 26th, 2024. So, if you don't know what a grant is, it is just a sum of money that you get as a business, and it's not like a loan because you do not have to pay it back. Once you get it, the money is yours and you can use it however you like within your business. So it says that Block Advisors by H&R Block launches Fund Her Future grant program to support women-owned small businesses. So with this one, as I mentioned, they are going to be awarding 5 women-owned small businesses a combined total of $100,000 in funding and access to a year of small business services from Block Advisors. Submissions will be accepted at blockadvisors.com/fundherfuturegrant through May 26th, 2024. So this is really nice because it's going to be something that's super helpful for people that are looking for a lump sum of money to kind of launch their business, or if they're looking for a lump sum of money to kind of continue their business, right? So it says to apply, applicants must be over the age of 18 and they must be an owner of a United States small business, and the business must be at least 51% woman owned. So they're kind of targeting women in this, with this one in particular. So it says that the following submissions closing on May 26th. A group of finalists will be selected to participate in interviews mid-June, and 5 winners will be notified by the end of June. So it says one small business owner will receive a first prize grant package of $50,000 and a year of access to small business services from Block Advisors. And then 4 honorable mention winners will receive $12,500 grant, and the services package as well. So it says Block Advisors helps over 2 million small business owners annually with year-round tax preparation and business services, including business information, bookkeeping, payroll, and beneficial ownership reporting as well. So hurry up and go ahead and apply for this. Once you come to the site, you can just go to Google if you want to find the page. I can do it with you here. So just go to Google and type in, my computer's gonna load here, Block Advisor. Block Advisors grant. Just type that in Google and it should be the first option that pops up. So right here. So it says Block Advisors launches Fund Her Future grant. That's the name of the article and the name of the page. So go ahead and click on that and it should lead you to here. And let's go ahead and apply. Let's see what it looks like applying. Let's look for the apply button. I think this might actually be an article, but I'm looking for the actual page where you can apply. Give me a second. All right, so it's actually the second. So the first link was just an article, and the second link is the actual page where you actually apply. So it says $100,000 in grants for women-owned businesses. So this is the one right here. And if you click apply now, it should take you to the page where you can enter all your information, go ahead and apply, and wait for the results. So they're saying here that they're thanking you for your interest in Fund Her Future grant program. And there's a couple of things that you need to read on their website. Press the next button. There's an important note at the bottom here, actually. First, it says, this application should take about 2 hours to complete, not including preparation time. So please make time to submit your application in one sitting. You will not be able to save your application and come back later to it. Likewise, you will not be able to edit your responses after submission. While completing the application, use the back arrow to revisit any questions before submitting, and consider taking a screenshot of the confirmation screen, because a confirmation email will not be sent. So you're actually not going to get a confirmation email. Usually when you apply for a grant, they do send a confirmation email, but with this one, they're not going to send you that. So just keep that in mind. You will, however, be able to download a copy of your responses after submission. So you can save your responses once you're done submitting. So please begin by answering the security question. I'm not a robot, so go ahead and just click I'm not a robot. Go next. Eligibility. The next few questions will determine your eligibility for the grant. This section will take about 2 minutes to complete. So go ahead and click next. And it's going to ask you a few questions. So this first one is just asking, are you or any of the owners of your business for which you are applying employed by H&R Block, any of its affiliates, or any of its franchises? So go ahead and click no if you're not hired by them. And it's asking, have you or any of the owners of the business for which you are applying been employed in the past year by H&R Block, any of its affiliates, or any of its franchises? So they just want to kind of see if there's going to be a conflict of interest. So I'm guessing most of you are not going to be hired by H&R Block. But go ahead and just fill out this application. Once you're done, again, you can download the responses, and you should, if you are the winner, you'll get $50,000. If you are part of the 4 that are not part of the winner, are not the actual winner of the grant, go ahead. You're actually going to win $12,000, right? So yeah, so this is the page. Just go ahead and click apply now. You can click how it works as well to figure out how it works. So first, of course, you'll see if you're eligible, submit the application, then see the results. So you need to stay tuned, and they're going to notify all 5 grant winners by June 30th. So June 30th is coming up pretty quickly in just a couple of weeks here. So go ahead and apply before the deadline, which is May 26th. And yeah, let's hope you win. Okay? Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and I will bring you the next grant pretty soon here. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.